What's good with y'all? It is almost 8:30. We're gonna hop on the charts and see what we got this morning. Trying to make a little live trading video for y'all. I'm not really gonna be like going hard on nothing right now. You know what I'm saying? So just want to do a little live video for y'all for real. We're gonna see what's up.
The new account, as you can see. I don't know if any of y'all watched yesterday's vlog, but pretty much I was having trouble with connecting to my TraderBait from my Top Step account, but now we're good. Now, just not it. But anyways, am I going to be trading this account today? Absolutely not. I am going to wait till Monday, first week. Start off with a good amount, and I'm gonna go from there. Yeah, let's see what we can get today. To be honest, today really might just be a good example of why I don't like to trade on Fridays. You know what I'm saying? Look how flat everything is. Like, then this could have been a potential supply zone, but this right here, this long wick right here, just made it ugly as everything. Now we have another potential supply zone trying to form right here. Yep. We're gonna keep our eyes on NASDAQ just to see what happens. Like I said, I'm not trading this account. This is just me showing up to the markets because that's just building consistency. Yeah. And ES is pretty much looking exactly like NASDAQ. I mean, literally, you know what I'm saying? ES is looking exactly the same as NASDAQ right now. I keep forgetting that I have this. So we actually going to test this out today. I actually tested it out yesterday, but I mean, we're gonna use it today. Let's get right.
Sir, let's get it. Love this song, bro. Look, make me look a little professional. You know what I'm saying? Nah, for real though. Bro, this junk totally turned around. Check this out. I'm just looking, just came back after, having my little rant. Um, and pretty much ES is doing something completely different now. So I'm pretty sure NASDAQ is doing something completely different as well. Let's see real quick. I have no idea what NQ is doing right now and ES, but yeah, they just completely like turned the opposite way. But this is why it's best to trade NASDAQ, ES, those type of pairs. You want to trade after 9:30. You really don't want to be trading those pairs pre-market, and also you don't really want to be taking a lot of sales on these pairs. These are buying instruments. Like that's one of the main keys to understanding the markets is understanding your pair. You know what I'm saying? And I know that NASDAQ, gold, US 30, most of these instruments are buying instruments. So at some point, you know what I'm saying? You have to understand that at the end of the day, the markets are going to go up. They're going to go up. You know what I'm saying? It's just catching it at the right time and catching it at that pivotal point. Because if you can catch it at a good entry, you're gonna make a lot more money. A lot more money. So yeah, let's just see what we have today. Um, like I said, today might prove why I don't trade Fridays. So I'm sitting here looking at this and I'm just thinking like it kind of looks like ES and NASDAQ wants to reach these highs right here. This supply up here. This could be a potential good sale right here. I don't know. I don't know. I want to see the confluence of a 13 EMA breakout with that supply and demand trade and maybe even a closed candle entry. You know what I'm saying? Like literally watching the candle close before I enter. You know what I'm saying? For a sale. But like I said, I'm not entering anything. I'm just saying what I would do. I'm walking y'all through my thought process because I'm not trading my 500 account until Monday. So just getting that straight real quick. So I'm not gonna lie. Gold does have a situation right now where we are breaking highs. As you can see right here, we just broke this high with this candle, and we see we had broke the highs before, but the wicks are still showing signals of wanting to go down. Wicks mean we want to go away from the wick. You know what I'm saying? So this kind of looks like a liquidity grab right here. And if this candle can close, the body of this candle can close above this level right here, that would be a great indication of us wanting to buy. But as you can see, we are continuing to wick the zone. So that is right now it's still looking like a liquidity grab to me. Um Basically a sales situation. But I don't know. We have to see if the candle closes above this level. A couple more seconds on this candle. Couple more seconds on this candle, and it will be 8:45. I'll be honest, guys. Even if the candle was to close like this right now, I still would not be comfortable in saying, "Oh, it's ready for buys." Like, no, that's not. See, candle closed just like that too. You know, like that's still a little sellish. You know what I'm saying? And what's the first thing we're doing right now? Going into sales. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of times, market structure by itself will save you. A market structure by itself can um, help you and prevent you from taking bad trades, bro. Honestly, I will not ignore the fact that it is a demand zone. So it is sitting right here. Yeah, right here. Yeah. And we actually just tapped that zone. But like I said, knowing market structure, I don't feel like this demand zone will hold. You know, I don't think it will. I think we're gonna blast through this demand zone and probably continue to the downside for a little bit longer. But either way, this wouldn't be a trade to get into because you have two different confluences going against each other. You know what I'm saying? We got a buy opportunity, but we also didn't respect this level. We still have not respected this level, really. You know, so yeah, this is not a trade that you want to be caught up in. You know, and I mean, honestly, this setup could potentially win. You know what I'm saying? But you just have to be, I don't know, I guess content with understanding your strategy and understanding when to get in the markets and understanding that even if you miss this opportunity, there will be other opportunities to, you know, take and really execute, you know. So you can't get upset about one trade, you know what I'm saying? And you can't let your mind just go crazy over one trade, you know, because a lot of times we will get FOMO, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes you got to be okay with just sitting on your hands, especially when you're trading. You know what I'm saying? Any trader will tell you this is 90% waiting. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times you're waiting. Okay, looks like this candle right here could possibly give the break of structure for um gold. Let's see. Let's see what happens. But if this candle does give a good break of structure and it closes at the right place, this will be another demand zone created right here. So it will be like I was just saying, another opportunity. You know what I'm saying? You gotta wait it out, man. Let the markets tell you what it wants to do. Don't try to predict the markets. Okay, so I did see that we have the breaker candle, but in this situation where it's a lot of wicks on this upside, I would more so like to see a candle close. For instance, this candle right here, I would like to see this candle close. You know what I'm saying? Up here in this area, you know, definitely above this line though. You know, definitely above this line, and it closing up there in that area would create a demand zone right here. You see what I'm saying? That would create another demand zone, and then we would just wait for the breaker structure and the candle to come back down to my zone, with my zone, get in at a breaker candle or candle close, like, and the rest is history. Okay, we got a minute on this candle. Um, let's see. Yeah, see, I just don't like see what I'm saying. You see what I'm saying about the candle closing. These candles are still weakening. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see. It's got a couple more seconds in this on this candle, on this 5 minute candle, but we're gonna see, bro. But if I'm trading right now, see what I'm saying? Look at this. You know what I'm saying? It's important to watch and see how the candle closes before you get in. It's very important, especially when you're having situations where it's a lot of fake outs. Now look how this candle just closed. If you got in at break a candle, hold on, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all this. Let's see. Let me show y'all this real quick, bro. So if you got in at the break of candle, right now, you're in drawdown. This is your stop loss right here. This is your stop loss right here. You know what I'm saying? Now, you only have 26 points to get to take profit. That's not saying that this could not go up 26 points, but um, honestly, I wouldn't be interested in just 26 points. Like I need a one or two. I'm gonna be honest. I need a good one or two, especially starting off, an account or starting off um any funded challenge. You want a good one or two, bro. Your first trade is setting the tone. Yeah, okay. So it's looking like it wants to go up, but see now we're right back doing the same exact thing. Weaken. Like I said, if anything, this trade will hit one to one, but I don't think it would be a opportunity for a one or two in this trade. I don't think so. Not the way it's moving right now. Now, who knows what the market open will do? Because the market opens in 17 minutes, something like that. Uh, they could very well so push it up, but These candles wicking down like that is just crazy, and we still haven't really had a closed candle above this line right here. You know what I'm saying? We still haven't had a candle to close above that. So it's still looking a little iffy to me. We have 2 minutes on this candle right here. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I'm in this trade right now, if this trade comes back to break even, I'll be out. Like for real, for real. I'm talking about. Matter of fact, I would already put my stop loss at break even. Honestly, if I'm in this trade right now. And this is part of trading, bro. Like sometimes ugly setups will win. They will win, And that's something that, my mentor Doyle really taught me is that um just because it's ugly, that don't mean it won't win. For real, for real. But this is a probability game, and this is more so of a gamble. You know what I'm saying? This trade would be a gamble for me because I know better. You know what I'm saying? And I'd rather keep my energy and my mindset on the correct trading path, and not try to do anything crazy or outrageous, you know, to create bad habits. But just like that, I would have been taken out of the trade. You know what I'm saying? Break even, no money lost, no money lost. But you understand what I'm saying about this? Like, and I really want to watch this. I want to see what happens for real. But this is terrible. And the sad part is, it would have done all that. Look how far we ended up wicking down into the zone. You know what I'm saying? They would have done all that just to end up hitting TP. 9 times out of 10, this is gonna go up now. If this candle closes like this, it's 909. If this candle closes like this, um, we will see probably price keep going in this direction for the rest of the day until like probably like 10:30 or 11 when the markets decide to turn around. But yeah, and just like that, TP was hit. You see what I'm saying about the markets right now? That's why I'm just like, bro, like, then look at we're flying now. We're gone. We're gone. You know what I'm saying? Just like that, bro. Just like that. That's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. So I ain't gonna lie. Right now, I'm actually about to step away from the markets because it is 9:15, and I don't even place any trades after like 9:15 to like 9:30 because we have a lot of situations where it, 9:30 comes and it wants to present a good setup, but or really like 9:25, like it'll be a clean setup. Then next thing you know, 9:30 news or whatever happens, stock exchange opens. I think the setup end up being invalid, or you'll get caught up in a reversal or something. So in order to not deal with any of that, I just close the charts, come back at 9:30 if I haven't placed the trade by 9:15, and go from there. Yeah, NQ did exactly what I said it was gonna do. I pretty much said that at 9:30, 9:35, NQ was gonna present some type of setup, and that's exactly what happened. Y'all seen me mark this up right here earlier in the video, and that's exactly what happened. We came back to this zone, this supply zone up here. It gave a decent break a candle and stuff, but like I said, I really don't like to take a trade or get into the markets until 9:40 ish, at least. You know, that's like 10 minutes after the open. Um, so I don't know if I would have placed this trade
I probably wouldn't have because it would have been a risky trade. Let's just see. Hold on. So this would have been 935. So if anything, I would have took this. Let's see. If anything, I would have took this as a 13 EMA breakout. But see, even the 13 EMA breakout, I probably still would not have taken this trade because of this long wick right here. Like on this candle right here, this long wick, I don't like to see 13 EMA breakout candles to look like that. So I mean, it's still the markets is just trash. There is trash right now. Really, honestly, it's trash. And like I said, I mean, ugly setups will win. You know, it will happen. But ultimately, if we would have got in, let's see, on this entry right here, it would have been right there at 930. You know what I'm saying? So it was just no entry. There was no entry. There was no good entry for this trade. So just being disciplined and doing what I know is best to do, I probably would not have gotten into this trade still. ES never touched the zone. Gold, let's see. Gold, we reversed, completely reversed. Just like I said, like I was telling y'all earlier, um, price not wanting to hold around this area gave me that indication that, yeah, price wanted to go down. Now, as you can see, we did end up uh, hitting TP1. TP1 was hit, but this is just not a good area to be trading in. It's just not. You know, when price action is doing that, you never know what you're gonna get. You know, so not the best trade for you, boy. Let's see, we got this right here. Now, I do see we had a supply zone right here. Let's get rid of these old zones. We do see we have a supply zone right here. It got respected, but we closed in the zone. You know what I'm saying? We closed in this zone a little bit. I don't really like that. Right now, God, raining out this month. Yeah, we about to go. We about to go get this haircut, bro. Oh my goodness, well needed haircut. Yeah, bro, I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. Hey, market's been trash. It really have been trash. Like pretty much the first part of every single election, um, always ends up being like really terrible. I just wanted to go get me a little haircut real quick. I'm turning this into a whole vlog because I'm giving a lot of game out on this channel, bro. A lot of free game that a lot of people are having to pay money for. I'm giving out free game, trust me. Like free game, bro. But yeah, um, glad that I did not take that trade from earlier today because gold was trying to bait. I ain't even gonna lie, gold was baiting today. Like I'm glad today it's one of those days where I was not gonna trade either way because gold was on some baiting jump, bro. Like y'all seen how those candles kept wicking to the upside, and then we would close down, wicking to the upside, close down. Then they gave that final strong break. You know what I'm saying? It finally looked like it was about to start going up. And then that very next candle, it really showed the direction that it wanted to go into. And trust me when I tell you, a lot of people lost on that trade today. Trust me when I tell you, a lot of people lost on that trade today. I believe that. I'm telling you because
I just know how the markets move, man. But market structure is key, bro. It's key. Like y'all go back and look at that video, bro. How many times did we see the markets fake us out? You know what I'm saying? We seen the markets fake us out probably like probably like 3 to 4 times today. You know what I'm saying? So it's very vital, very vital. But yeah, we about to go and see what's up. Get this haircut, and after I get this haircut, I'm gonna jump back on here. I'll let y'all for a little minute, and then I'm gonna let y'all go. So stay tuned. Cut though, good little cut. So I'm just like, you know what I'm saying? Not too much, just a little something. I'm gonna go get some gas because my car loves to suck the heck out of gas. So we want to get some gas now, and then I'm probably gonna go to the smoke shop. Give me a little something, something. You know what I'm saying? It's the weekend too. You feel me? But yeah, man, good little day, bro. Might go to the park today too, bro. It just feels good outside. Might take the kids to the park. I don't know. Definitely ain't finna sit in the house all day, though. I'll tell you that. Yeah, man. Hey, overall, bro, keep pushing. Keep pushing, man. Keep going. Don't never give up, bro. Don't never give up on nothing, bro. Like, I just feel like my life is prime example of what can happen if you don't give up, bro. You know, so I really like I was saying in the last video, I'm not as grateful as what I really should be because honestly, it's crazy, man. I wasn't supposed to be where I'm at now. You know what I'm saying? I am a high school dropout, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm a high school dropout. Like I made it to 11th, 12th grade, and then I dropped out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not supposed to be here right now. I'm not supposed to be here right now. Statistically, I'm supposed to be in jail. I'm supposed to be on the side of the street. All that shit. Like I got my own car. I got my own job. I got my own license. I got my own place to stay. You know what I'm saying? I got my own apartment, all that junk. Like what? Taking care of my kids. Like, bro, hey, I'm living proof of don't give up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't give up. And that's with anything, bro. Like, got hair in my mouth. Y'all know how it be after you get a haircut, bro. You get all the hair in your mouth and all that. But yeah, don't give up nothing, bro. Like, it don't matter how long it take you. It don't matter how long um you have to put work in before you see your first results. Keep going, bro. Keep going, and whatever you got, you need to pursue whatever is in your mind all the time, whatever you dream about, whatever that thing that keeps you up at night. That's the big one right there. The thing that you stay up at nighttime and you be thinking in your head like, dang, bro, like I should be doing this right now. I should be doing this. Like that thing right there is what you need to pursue. For real. For real. Little something from the smoke shop. You know what I'm saying? But hey, shout out to bro. If you're watching this video, shout out to bro at the smoke shop. I don't know your name, my man, but you just followed me on YouTube. I really do appreciate that, my man. I really do. I love when people support other people, man. And that's what me and him was talking about in the smoke shop is people really supporting other people and what it really takes to be a content creator is really just being consistent. You know what I'm saying? I told him like, hey, I'm working on being consistent on YouTube, but you know, hey, but I will say this though, word of mouth, my man, word of mouth, like just seeing people and people seeing you doing what you're doing will draw people to your channel, draw people to your brand. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of times you don't even realize that just you just being out and people just seeing you doing your work, they know that you're taking it serious. Whatever you're doing, they're like, okay, this guy must be taking it serious. So like I was saying though, shout out to bro. Thank you for following me. Thank all of y'all for following my channel. I really do appreciate that. And a lot more to come, bro. A lot more to come. What are you doing? I'm not zombie.
What's your name? Tell them your name. You gotta speak into the microphone. See, it's on my chest.
I'm not zombie.
What's your name? They can't hear you.
I'm not zombie.
You gonna talk into it?
I'm not
You gotta
zombie.
look. You gotta say, "Let me where are you?" Look, try it.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Girl, you don't know.
Why are you doing so much? Just like this.
Say bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.